guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asha, and yeah, anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and start it without going off topic. I did get new things so far, like not so many, maybe about 4 items. I did get the new Future Skin from Chantecaille, and I also got the tinted blush drops from Victoria Beckham. So we're gonna try and see how that works out for you today. Well, we're gonna see how that will work out. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, anyways, my face is already being prepped. I did my skincare earlier, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. I did get 2 shades just because I wasn't sure what shade I was. I wasn't sure what shade I am, so I got 2 shades. Big mistake. I got the shade Amber. It is light, and the second shade I got was, no, I have 3 because I purchased one a long time ago before they changed, I guess. I don't know. The first one I got was Carb. I think this might better match, but we'll see. And then the second one, it was Teak. By the way, online the swatches you see it can be deceiving. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna swatch it on my skin, on my face, and see how it looks. Anyways, this is Teak. This is Amber. Yeah. You see? Anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix Carb and a Teak just to see how it will work. Which is these two. All 3. Oh boy. Okay, I'm just gonna put the Carb all over the. I'm just gonna go dot. I'm not gonna bother with priming because I'm not going anywhere. So I'm just gonna continue with this method and see. Really see much, so I have to get a smaller mirror just to be close up. Honestly, if I have to mix this part, it's not that bad. I can make it work. I can even use the lighter one as a concealer, so yeah. I don't really care to put it down here because hijab covers it up anyway, so I just this much. I hope you guys can see it. Honestly, it gives you a nice, it's like more like a natural. I guess that's what they were going for in the first place. Okay. It's okay. I can't complain, to be honest. So I can use the lighter one as a concealer, but I do have a concealer from them too. So why not use it, right? I'm gonna go in with bronzer. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Sunken's Glow Bronzer in the shade 4 Deep. Now for the concealer, I think I got 2 shades, but I just don't know where I put it because, like I said, when it comes to the old version, I had it for quite some time, but I never had the chance to actually use it. So today is gonna be the day. All I see is number 6. I don't see anything else. I'm actually gonna use the lighter shade of the foundation to blend it out. That much. I think it's good. Like, yeah, it's good for concealer. So I think I'm gonna use Flushed, hold on, and Vintage Rose. Sonia G Cheek Brow Brush. It's kind of scary, so this is Flushed. Oh, you have to press it down. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. I don't. Mm, maybe I should do a swatch on my arms just to show you guys. Right here. I don't know. But it shows up tiny bit, like a tiny bit more. It gives me more luminous than the color, but I guess it could work. This is a Vintage Rose. Vintage Rose Flushed. I think close up in real life you can see, yeah, it does show up, not too much, but it does the job. I guess it does show up. It's not, see, you can see it, right? Yeah, I just had to wait a little bit, but it does show up. So I am gonna go ahead. I also have a highlighter. Okay, I am gonna go set my face with the One Size Powder Melt. Ready? Let's just leave the face like that. I hope you guys like. What do you guys think so far? Good? Okay. Next step for eyes, I'm just gonna go, I don't have any, I do have a new, but I just don't have the time to actually go through find the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is a Beat Up Dior eyeshadow palette. So I don't know the name because I kind of used it's one of those packages that comes in, the case for it was, you can use it as a wallet. The shade name, I have no idea. So I'm just gonna mix the three darkest shade, those three. I'm gonna mix those three together and then see what we can come out with. Nothing fancy, so darker one. It's like dark espresso. Don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and blend it out. We're not gonna leave it like that. There you go. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere, so it's not really, I'm not gonna try to fancy up right now. But for now, that will be it. I'm just gonna go ahead off camera, do eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be right back. I don't know what the shade is. It's cute. It's more like a lip tint. I'm not gonna put lip liner on. There's no point. It's cute. Should I lip line? Maybe I should. I'm gonna use a Huda Beauty Lip Couture 2.0. Just a tiny bit, you know. I'm gonna go back with the lips again, just a tiny bit. This is the final look. What do you guys think of all the items I used today? If you guys tried it, please do let me know in the comment section below. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have Instagram, so please don't forget to follow me there. And if you guys used any of these items, please do let me know. Anyways, other than that, I have nothing else to say besides saying thank you for being here, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I don't know what the hell was that, but anyway.